How to do mud drywall. If you plan on building a new wall, replacing drywall, or just patching a hole, you need to know the tricks of the trade for a smooth finish. Instructions: Step 1. Add water to drywall mud and apply it with the 10-inch knife until it's smooth. The mud for this coat should be thinner than the second coat. Step 2. Sand the seams again until they're smooth, remembering to wear your respirator. Quick tip: a flashlight can be used to check for blemishes in your mud. It will cast a shadow on any raised or dimpled areas, allowing you to fix them. Step 3. Sand the seams one last time. Your drywall is now ready for texture, paint, or wallpaper. Did you know, the first sheetrock was introduced by the United States Gypsum Company in 1916, giving builders an alternative to wooden walls covered in plaster. Step 4. Add a small amount of water to mud in your drywall pan to thin it out. Then scoop it onto the 6-inch mudding knife and run it along all the seams. Step 5. Sand the seams and screw dimples until they're smooth. Put on a respirator while sanding to prevent inhaling the dust. Step 6. Cover screw dimples in the drywall with mud using the 4-inch mudding knife. Add mud until the dimples are flush with the rest of the wall. Step 7. Scoop mud onto the 6-inch mudding knife and run the knife along any seams in the drywall to fill the crease. Use the corner trowel for the corners. Step 8. Place drywall tape over the seams, including the corners, while the mud is still wet. Smooth and press the tape into the mud with the 6-inch mudding knife and allow the mud to dry overnight. Quick tip: clean your tools after each day of work to keep mud from drying on them. Step 9. Fill the mudding pan with joint compound using the 4-inch mudding knife.